Hey everyone, this is Usama from withintheflow.com, and today I will be teaching you guys how to create a Facebook business page in 2020. So let's begin. First, you need to sign into your Facebook account. After you have logged into your Facebook account, select the drop down option and select create the page. Here you can write the name you wish for your page. Like I have written e-commerce tips because I have to target e-commerce audience. In category, I have selected e-commerce website. After you have selected the category, make sure to write a brief yet informative description for your page because it will give a brief idea of your page to your visitors. After you have written the desired description for your page, hit create page button. So here it is, your page is created, but it is empty right now, so we have lot of work to do yet. Scroll down a bit, you will get two options, add profile picture and add cover photo. Add your desired profile picture and cover photo to your page to make it look more attractive. See how an attractive image can change the landscape of your page for your visitors and make it look more attractive to your visitors. So, after adding a profile picture and a cover photo, your page will look like this. Pretty different now? At right top of your page, you will see an option add a button. After clicking that, you will get multiple options to choose from. Make sure to select a suitable option for your page. Like I have selected send a message for my page because it will help me to better understand the query of my visitors on my page. This option allows you to invite your friends and families to like your page. This Insights preview helps you to analyze your page performance. It includes people reach, post engagements, and page likes. After exploring the page, let's explore the page settings option. First, we need to check whether our page is published or not. Here we can see that it is showing our page is published. Other than this, there are more settings that you can edit according to your wish. After that, you need to check your page info for further procedure. Here, the name e-commerce tips is the same as I have selected at the initial stage. Username option allows you to make a custom URL for your page. The green tick against my selected username shows that this name is available and I can proceed with this. Another important option in page settings is page roles. Through page roles, you can make anyone an admin or editor of your page. So now your page is created and good to go. So this is how you create a Facebook business page in 2020. If you have any further queries, write down in the comment section and let us know. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel as there are more interesting videos coming up on your way. Till then, it's a goodbye.